So they will jack automatically? Oh,
It will sort of disable the
suspension.
Yeah, so it can be
Ah.
yeah. Yeah, if you're driving.
So different driving modes is sport. Oh.
Yeah, so you can have like comfort.
And the Ludicrous or something. The model. I don't know. I forgot the name.
Which one?
Ludicrous mode or something.
Ah, yes. Yeah, you can hold down the brake to turn that on.
This is the all-wheel drive or the rear-wheel drive?
You can get an option, so
Oh, okay.
you can have both if you want. Trips charge you about car trips and things.
And this one for the
display.
Display.
new brake and power.
What is that? Oh.
That's right, it's just braking sort of options, and there's also got
So when we're driving, it is not to interfere with our driving. The display is massive.
yeah, no, you'll get like a map and things. So it's
Okay.
yeah, it's not going to distract you.
Yeah.
You've also got doors and locks, so you could actually open the front trunk. I think from here. You tap on that.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
There you go. And that'll open quick.
It's showing here.
Yeah, we can have a look at that in a second. So there's a bit of space at the front. You've also got like your air conditioning and things on the screen at the bottom and the volume. You'll just be amazed when you actually get in the car how quiet it is.
What does this mean?
Heater.
Yeah,
Heater.
seat warmers.
This one.
Yeah, and it goes back. So you got like music, maps, your calendar.
Like a tablet.
Camera. Yeah, it's like a channels tablet. You can also have if you tap the second right one up the top, you got the camera. Yeah. So it's got the high definition camera there.
Can we record the videos as well?
I won't let you record, unfortunately,
Okay.
but yeah, you can view.
It's only for the backside. Can we see the front or something?
No, when you're driving though, it does give you sensors around the sides. You'll see when you're in the car. So if you're close to an obstacle, it'll actually beep at you and show you.
I saw
On this-
cameras are in the
In the spinner.
Yeah, so they're for all the autopilot hardware.
Alright.
Oh,
So
so there's already the hardware's ready,
Yeah, the hardware's all there, and
but the software is waiting for the government.
yeah, correct. So it sort of comes along. You'll see if you follow like the social media pages where they're
Yeah.
at and things, and when updates come.
Personal phone.
Yeah, radio or Spotify. So
Oh, Spotify from here.
yeah, you can just Spotify. It's good. Connects to your phone. Also has a 3G connection, so you can track the car. You can control the climate with you not even being in the car. So say if you're about to go out, you can put the aircon on. It also holds the cabin temperature for 2 hours once you get out of it.
Or 2 hours?
Yeah, for 2 hours. So if you're just getting out of the car, like you're a cafe or something, get back into it.
Oh,
It's gonna be the same
That's
temperature.
great.
Yeah, so you don't have to get back
Yeah.
into a hot car, which is
Yeah,
really good.
it's like going into the oven.
Yeah, exactly.
It's quite fun. You can sit in here playing this one every day, all day.
Yeah.
What is for this farm?
I
That
think
one.
it's strong.
Yeah.
Oh,
You've got your
Soft touch.
on the side. You've also got, I know you guys can't see, but there's USB ports on the back as well. So you can charge. You got things.
Navigations. Very nice.
yeah.
So I got the steps.
Alright.
Guys, I'm gonna take